the Maple Leaf Learning Playhouse. Hey guys, let's make a card for Father's Day, okay? Yeah. Well, first, let's do some coloring, okay? Yeah. D A D. Hey, it says Dad. U R. Awesome? Yeah, my dad is pretty awesome. What about your dad? And a red heart. And now let's decorate the tie, okay? I'm going to make mine polka dot. Yeah, there's some blue polka dots. And some green polka dots. And some yellow polka dots. And some red polka dots. Wow, that's a pretty cute tie. Well, grab your scissors and let's cut it all out, okay? Cut out the card. Be careful, stay on the dotted line, okay? Great. And now let's cut out the tie, okay? Great. Now it's time to do some folding. Fold the card like this. And then fold these two pieces down like this, okay? That way it looks like a dress shirt. Pretty cool, eh? Grab your glue. Glue on your tie. And we're all done. I hope my dad likes this card. Hey, let's sing a song. Skidamarinky dinky dink, skidamarinky doo. I love you. Skidamarinky dinky dink, skidamarinky doo. I love you. I love you in the morning and in the afternoon. I love you in the evening underneath the moon. Oh, skidamarinky dinky dink, skidamarinky doo. I love you. Skidamarinky dinky dink, skidamarinky doo. I love you. Skidamarinky dinky dink, skidamarinky doo. I love you. I love you in the morning and in the afternoon. I love you in the evening underneath the moon. Oh, skidamarinky dinky dink, skidamarinky doo. I love you. Thanks for playing. Maple Leaf Learning. Hi guys, I hope you're happy today. If you subscribe, I'll be happy too. Yeah!